Looking at the mountain right now, and it looks like that's snow happening. It is. Look at my screen.
Yeah, I saw. I can see.
It's straight up snowing on that mountain. It's raining where we are. We're at the we're at the Blackcomb Chalet. Look at this. Look at that ski lift. Oh, sorry. There we go. Look at that ski lift right there. Cray cray. Go up there. I know it's a little jiggly, but I'm super zoomed in right now. Just looking at the snow on the mountain. It's my little guy. We're up here on the peak of Blackcomb Mountain. Sorry, I shouldn't say the peak, the base camp. Yeah, Blackcomb Mountain. Oh, can I get it before it disappears? Oh, where did that chalet just go to? No! I started this, oh there it is. I started this video to show you this chairlift all the way over here. It looked awesome. And now as I'm going to show you it, the clouds are rolling on in. Oh, look how sick that looks. Alright, little guy, let's go do the peak.
See how it's pointed that way?
Yes?
I believe it's blowing from mist away. So mist doesn't block everyone's view and so they don't fall down.
So we started off over here at the Blackcomb Gondola. I walked over to this building that you can see. That's the peak-to-peak chairlift. And it brought us all the way down that thing, all the way back up here to this side. Now that we're up here quickly, we're gonna go today up to the peak, but it's a little bit cloudy up there, and I'm sure that chairlift will be freaking scary. And there goes the boy. So we were gonna take today this chairlift. It goes all the way up, going farther, and yeah. So because of that, we can't go up there today because the mountain is gone. Ah! Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just want to let you know I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my stuff. I do it for the fun of it, really, and I really do appreciate it. So I just want to say again, thank you very much for watching it. Feel free to subscribe down here. Feel free to watch some of my favorite hikes up here, and some of my favorite videos about life up here, and my unboxings down there. So again, I do appreciate it. Have a good one.